Hi everybody, it's Keith Couch, Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center here in Greeley, Colorado. Got a 2023 Peterbilt 389 extended hood with a 78-inch stand-up sleeper, 280-inch wheelbase. And this one, got a pair of these. This is the blue one. There's a red one also. This one's Viper Blue. Red one is, it's either Viper Red or Pull Me Over Red. I can't remember which we did on it, but I'll look. Once we get to that one, I'll do a video. This one just came out of the shop. Start at the front. It's a herd bumper. You can hit anything with these pretty much, and it's just going to bounce off the truck. These will handle elk and moose. They are not cheap. I think you're looking at about $5,500 just for the parts. Then that tilts forward, and then you can open the hood. I'm not gonna get into the hood today, or tipping the hood up. I'm just gonna leave it. It's kind of a pain in the butt, and I'll have the camera all over the place. But then you can see we got a 14-inch drop visor and 7 cab lights. We added 2 extras and then made them all clear. That herd bumper makes it look mean. Viper Blue, I apologize that it's as dirty as it is, but we're in the process of changing over detail, guys. 11R22.5 Michelin's. This one also has, you can see the airbags in there, air ride steer axle. Under the hood, we have a 605 Cummins X15 with 2,050 foot-pounds of torque. So, beautiful, beautiful truck. We got the polished stainless steel little button LED lights. See those there? Polished air tank. We'll peel that cover off when we detail it. That's a polished stainless steel def cover. Got a 100 on this, yeah, 100 gallon on this side. And we got the shut-off valves, and you also got the fuel heaters. Thermostatically controlled fuel heaters. So if she gets down into the teens or single digits, this will heat the fuel so we don't have any gelling problems. Got the small fins on the back of the California fins, I guess they call them, on the back of the sleeper. Radio antenna, CB antenna on the back of the sleeper. 6 load lights. And if you get these toolboxes, you get these handles in the back of the sleeper. The only way to eliminate these handles is no catwalk, no toolbox. S-bar bunk heater. Well, these are the Hogue-built half fenders. Well, Paul does a good job in our shop with these. Michelin XDN2s. Outboard mounted air slide fifth wheel. Holland. Got full lockers. That line right there tells you these are full lockers. It goes down there, locks. Got full 3-way lockers on this. Disc brakes all the way around. These Hogue-built fenders are incredibly durable, incredibly tough. Old Paulie hid the air horns back here. 150-gallon fuel tank on this side. We do have jump posts here, positive and negative, in case you had a low boy or something, a pony motor you needed to start. And again, I just wanted to get this one out for the weekend, so a lot of you guys will be looking at trucks on YouTube over the weekend. You can see the window chops we have there. So we got a window chop that matches the 14-inch drop visor on the cab, and that continues on and matches on through the sleeper. Now we'll take you inside. 336 gears, 18-speed transmission on 11R22.5s. Platinum gray interior. Sears 80 seats. This one weighs 18,816 pounds. 18816. With the smart wheel, the new dash. This is all we can get now. Get her fired up. There we go. B panel. Full gauges, no nav. Extra switches. AM, FM. Bluetooth. And you got your smart wheel here. Power windows. Power locks, power mirrors. There's your D panel. 18 speed. 78-inch stand-up sleeper. The Sears 80 seats get a little tight in the middle there. One thing we are probably going to start doing, instead of making these high backs, we're probably going to make a mid back or maybe even a low back seat, which I prefer. But it really opens up the interior. Got a business center on the passenger side. Place your TV. This one has the cabinets all the way around. Got a fridge. We always do the premium mattresses. There's your S-bar bunk heater. Climate control, light, alarm clock. So I just thought I'd take a minute and show you this one. I've got a twin to it coming up. These are sold. Going to Hawkswell Trucking in Nebraska. So there it is, a Viper Blue 2023 389, 78-inch stand-up sleeper, 605 2050 torque. So that's a very nice truck. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877. Thank you.